How to upload videos on YouTube from your phone. After you open the YouTube app, just click on the plus icon at the bottom in the middle. From here, you want to click on add at the left corner. From here, you want to choose the video which you want to upload. So let's say for this video's example, I want to upload this video. I'm just going to choose a random video. And then what I can do is just click on done at the bottom left. And then it's going to start to process this video. So you need to wait for some time until the processing is over. Once you're over here, you can add any title you want over here. And then you can scroll down and click on the option upload shorts and your shorts will be uploaded. That's if you want to upload a video under 1 minute. If you want to upload a video which is above 1 minute and you want to upload a long form video on YouTube, you need to download this app called YouTube Shorts. You can easily find it on App Store. So download YouTube Shorts and open it once it's downloaded. Once you open YouTube Studio like this, click on the plus at the top right and choose the video. Even if it is a long form video or a short form video, just choose any video you want. Once you choose the video, it's going to load it for some time. So wait for some time until it completes this loading process. Once you're in this page, you can choose a title over here. Once you choose a title, just click on next at the top right corner. And over here, choose if it is an age restricted video or not. And then click on upload video at the bottom and your video will be uploaded. That's how you guys can upload a long form video or a short form video from your phone on YouTube. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.